Hello guys, in this video we are going to set up Python in Visual Studio Code in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. In order to set up Visual Studio Code for Python programming, we have to download VS Code and Python in our computer. Let's open any web browser. Type here Python. Press enter. Here you can see python.org website. Click on this link. Go to download section. Click on Python and latest version. Here you can see Python 3.11 version. Download has been started. You can see here. Wait for a while till the download completed. Here you can see download has been completed. Click on this. Don't forget to tick this checkbox. Click on install. Click on yes. And setup has been started. You can see here setup has been successful. Close this. To verify installation, open terminal. Type here python -- version. Press enter. Here you can see Python latest version. It means Python has been installed. Let's close this and now open VS Code in our computer. Search for VS Code. Click on first link. Click on download for Windows, or if you have other operating system you can choose from here. In my case I have Windows, so I am clicking on download for Windows. You can see here download has been started. Wait for a while. Here download has been completed. Click on it. Click on I accept the agreement. Don't forget to tick these 3 checkbox. Click on next. Again click on next. Now Visual Studio Code has been installed. Click on finish. You can open Visual Studio Code now. I'm going to close this. Let's click on icon. Let's click on extension. Search here Python. Here you can see Python from Microsoft. Click on install. Install has been completed. Close this. To create a Python file, go to file, choose new file, select a language, search for Python, click on Python. Now you can code here for Python programming. I'm going to write print hello world. To run, first we have to save it. Press Ctrl S. Give file name .py. Don't forget to write .py extension. Click on save. Now you can run. Go to run section. Click on run. Select Python. Now you can see hello world has been printed in terminal here. Only this much in this video. Thank you.